We want to control the LED with a push button. We did this project before with acquainted, but this time we will do it with the Arduino. We use from Proteus for simulation. Search the Arduino in Proteus library. The Arduino library is not installed on Proteus by default. You can download the Arduino library from the internet. After extracting, just copy these files to the library folder. Close the Proteus and run again. Now search for the Arduino again. Select the Arduino Uno module. Select other components of project, push button, resistor, LED and capacitor. Complete the circuit. Use form pins 13 and 12 for the LED. We use the 0 pin to read the key. We use the pull_down resistor for the key. Run the Arduino IDE software. You can use the examples of this software. Select the button from the example/digital/path. Copy these program lines to the project. This stores the number of pin in a constant variable, in flash memory of micro. Define the pins 13 and 12 as output. Define the 0 pin as input without pull_up resistor. Let's write the program so by pressing the button, that the yellow LED turns on and the red LED turns off. Save the project. Select these options from Path X to create a hex file. Select these options from Path, File/Preferences to create a hex file. Make sure the Arduino Uno module is selected. Compile the program. Copy the address of the hex file. Now you have to give the hex file with micro. Run the simulation. If you are interested in the topics of this channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.